egwu ya bụ ife na-akụ m since. You know, I've been saying recently that I shared that I stopped checking out Niger Confra, and I've also been checking other things. I've been modifying, tweaking. Imago, ilikata myself maka oyi, because the cold affects dreams. I stopped wearing clothes because there's been a change of weather, right? So let me even know if that's the same stuff that's been causing me not to see my dreams. So, or to even remember, like, clean, no cosmic information, guy, or very scanty, which is absurd. Because so yesterday came to my mind that because since I released my song now, I play it like every day because I gotta support my own streaming numbers on Apple Music, because now them they pay. If you do Apple Music, kindly go and stream Holy Ezumezu Biko off one and whole. Put it on repeat all night. Reduce the volume. You don't even need to hear it. Drop the volume flat. More than as proven by this night now. So this morning I did my oku ensu agwo ezumezu. I got some more fokita. So as proven by this night now, guy, just go sleep. I know play egwu ya the whole day. Makia bu egwu ya, guy. Egwu depression. The depression ya like ya man. I'm more ablon the depression, guy. Ablon depression. Abum high spirit. Yota. Adim na high and adim na good energy. I'm on good energy. I no need any negative, toxic, troll energy shit for my life. No whining. No, don't play practical jokes like they will say in Ikoyi prison. Don't play practical jokes. I no need whining, guy. So I didn't play Eguya the whole of yesterday. One listen, I didn't do it. Yeah. The only time I even nearly listened to it was when I was setting sound for the video I posted this morning. That is this morning now, right? On Alligator Pepper. I just immediately rush, come out and again, put Holy Ezumezu. So yeah, I go stop to even promote them, like make people will go find them. Imagine my own song kill my energy. Check my dream app. See my dream app statistics. See from 24th when I released the song, then see before 24th. You see the dots. See every day they record something. The few days where I even record something from that 24th where they see now, I don't even know what I see. So in just depress my shit. Now if you take into your system is food. Anything where you chop, anything where you see, anything where you sniff, anything where you look, anything where you actually go use your penis put inside, anything where you go carry, and like now food in be, everything is communion, everything is communing. So imagine say waiting I dey listen to, even though say I dey put them on very low volume, but clearly in that low volume book a volume clearly or can I put that somewhere or now come on cigar one cosmic antenna. So bro, that thing was an exciting discovery today. So now we be I don't find out say no be Niger Confra go like in the Gladiator no na arena entertain in the mud in a bush say no be them they fuck my spirit up. She might go back, go follow them. Nothing like that. I no need any bullshit. And here a madness energy guy. I no need any bullshit. So all fancy can go. So kindly go stream Holy Ezumezu. We are back to promoting Holy Ezumezu guy. Egu Ezumezu. Egu more the weather. No be egu weather in a time of gloom. Actually, I said it for dealing with your pain. So if you day in pain, go stream and but no say you know guys day in pain for long. Guys step out of there, otherwise you might not even be seeing your Other things where they affect dreaming, working too hard, stress, food where you chop. All of them na communion. If you maybe only give more. So I no here the stress, not working too hard, be maybe give more. Boni da from logi mama before na bani. It bo only ezumezu, play only ezumezu on repeat, play and. Come we fin na otaka more gidozi be fin na ba. On chapa kwa.